that? Oh, all right.
Goddamn allergies, yo.
Yeah, in this weather, that's what I was wondering. Like, if it was warmer, boy, it would be freezing away. You coming here since 1970s?
78, yep.
Wow.
My first trip.
Yeah, really. You gotta love this place.
Oh, you will.
That's a long time lower thing with a piece of land. Lift up the clouds.
Well, they're still alive. They didn't get eaten by a bear, so that's a good sign.
Camping 3 days out here right on the lake. Can't ask for anything better than that.
Wow.
Yep, had a great time. Yep.
Good for you all.
Yep.
All right.
Enjoy, guys.
All right.
Have a good one.
Ladies.
Yeah, we're going to go to a museum later. This place is just unreal.
P.J. Huffmaster hiking the Porcupine Mountains escarpment in 1920.
1920.
That's not too far from the time you started here.
It's only 50 years later, yep.
1920. Stop invasive hitchhikers. Who are those?
Oh, well, they think there's going to be some kind of animals living on your shoes or something. I don't know.
All right, this is your workout. Up the hill. What, they camping out here for 2 days? For what do you say? 2 days?
Yeah. There's people that love this place so much.
We used to do PT at Fort McClellan, Alabama. Part of our run went up like this, and it goes up. And in the morning, early in the morning, before the fog lifts, you could barely see the top of the trail. They call it heart. They call it do they call it cardiac or they call it heart attack? And we'll be just running, everybody leaning forward because it's so steep. Yeah.
Thank God it's over, huh?
Sometimes I wish I was back on there. Keep my strength up.
Well, if you hike the trail here, you'll get it back, that's for sure.
You got a hoodie on that thing? No? You got a hoodie on that?
Oh, no.
Danger, cliff ahead. Stay away from the edge. I scoff at the danger.
I was on that bridge once.
Yeah, it
So that's the lake they thought looked like a carp.
They came here, and all they have to really do is intentionally contaminate the Native Americans. They had, they just died off. They found out that certain diseases can kill them, and then they just what do they give them, blankets?
Yeah, they give them blankets infected with the diseases.
Now, if that's not homicide, I don't know what is.
And people are like, oh, but the Chinese are oppressing the Uyghurs. I said, you should see what we did.
They're like, okay, this is a nice blanket, and they just rub it all over the They rub it all over the thing. Yeah, it's a gift. They're like, oh, well, thank you. They went to sleep, woke up, and they were
Covered in spots.
oh, boy, the things people do. So who told you that lie about the crime statistics here? The crime is 0 here. Who told you that lie?
Well, comparatively speaking,
comparatively speaking, but because it's never 0. Where there are humans, there's crime. I learned that in criminal justice a long time ago.
The people here are laid back. They talk slow, they move slow.
They smoke weed.
You can jump and stick the landing.
They didn't give me any kind of mental.
I did volunteer.
I would say it that way. I'm like, no, you did drugs before? Not that I recall.
That's a good answer.
No, that's a good answer. That's an opening for further questions. What you mean?
That's so funny a few times. I don't know why.
I love these pine trees, man. They're just straight up solid.
Those are porcupine mountain trees.
Look at that one, man. Fucking pine. Look how. What you got in there? You recording some more?
You know what? Starting this camera is always hard. It's not cooperating right now. It's normal. Eventually it'll go.
So all of this is a trail by itself, pretty much?
This goes around the whole place. And there's a place on the backside that's higher than this, and there's a place where there's a fire tower, like you see in the old movies back when we had no cable TV. That you can climb. It's a vertical tower that goes up maybe 300 feet or something. With the ladder in the middle, and the people lived in there to watch for fires. Allow access to all photos. Yeah. Allow. Come on, thing. Oh, look, it's gonna do something. Now this camera is kind of magical. See if I can get it to work. October 31st. Yeah, okay.
Okay, so where to?
Well, it depends.
We're gonna make it to the next stop. We're gonna do some quick, just a quick summary of it.
All right, then we can take this trail. It'll bring us back to the lot. If you wanted to continue on, you go that way, and it's basically endless.